My name is Leon R. Harris III, attorney at law in the state of California for about over 38 years. Um, my areas of practice are very much involved over time. I started with a big law firm. I've worked for bigger, public entities. I've been on my own since the early 90s. I deal a lot with personal injury work, litigation, sometimes which tends to be a little bit more in terms of business, estate planning, family law, criminal defense work, and a lot of administrative law, which is a little bit different facet in terms of allowing people to stand up and speak their truth about what is going to be decided between there being a difference of opinion between one or two people or many people at some point in time. I've also been involved in teaching. I taught for over 20 years at California State University, Bakersfield, both in terms of business law and upper division management. My job is really more as an advocate. I'm trying to be an effective advocate in terms of understanding exactly where a client is coming from, what they think they're exposed to in terms of the pluses and minuses with regard to what their position is on a certain issue or issues, and how what's going to be used over time to resolve a difference of opinion in terms of really what. It's not like I'm always right or I'm always wrong. I think what I learned over time, part of it was with teaching, part of it was I was doing a lot of work for the, state of California, doing a lot of prison work. I was doing a lot of parole releases, that sort of thing. And people have very narrow mindsets in terms of exactly what happened or what should have happened or what was proven to have happened. I was born and raised in Bakersfield. I'm sort of a smaller Bakersfield boy in the sense that I think in the 60s and 70s we were only up to about 70,000 people, that sort of thing. That's something I learned when I was doing forensics or public speaking in high school, just because a lot of people had a preconceived notion of, oh, where are you from? Oh, you're from there. Well, we know about that place. We drive by there on the way from LA to San Francisco, that sort of thing. It means that anybody who wants to stand up for themselves or wants to express themselves in terms of what they believe is true or what has happened in the past, whether it's been recognized by some sort of legal authority, that sort of thing. I think that's why a lot of family law does not involve law enforcement, but then sometimes it really does, in the sense that I think it's not all dissolution of marriage. There's a lot of parentage cases now.